So for this first clip, I thought these were onions.
Probably should get another one. It is not. Just kidding. I'll get 2 onions. Okay, so you need this and this. You want to make sure the pan is hot before you put the butter on. I turned this thing on before, but I returned it on for the video for the full effect. Then you want to just chop some onion. I got 2 because more onion is better. After you do that for the whole thing, you gotta cut like this. It's kind of hard to, as you can see. Then you want to get 3 scoops of garlic. Hold on. After you put the garlic on, it's going to be cooking quick, so kind of want to spread it around. Let it sit, and then I also kind of put this to 3, 4, and then onions. I'm gonna finish cutting this. This is a lot of onions, so I think just 1 onion's probably good. And after do that, throw it all on there. Dales. You'll kind of just want to do a little. This is some good stuff, so mix it all together. Probably can put this on a little higher again since there's so much onion. Now while that's brewing, you gotta cut the chicken. You gotta wash the chicken. Do that times 3. Now you gotta cut all the excess off the chicken. All this. This, just a lot of shit, and then cut it in half. This is still brewing at that 4.5, 4, which is good. Move everything over to the side. And then it's supposed to put the chicken on. There's not gonna be enough room for all the chicken, but I'm gonna try. And then the reason for cutting this in half is 1, they're super thick. And 2, they cook much faster if they're all cut in half. So then, Everglades, just douse it. I think that's why it was so good. You gotta double side it. So this is what we want right here. That's good. That's really good. And throw it on. Now I'll try to put this a little hotter. 4.5 now. I'll mush everything together so I can fit as much as I can on here. Maybe 1 more, and then after all this is done cooking, I'll do these other 2 because there's no more space on here. Let this sit for 4 minutes. I can go a little bit hotter here. 4 or 5 minutes. Flip them, and then after I flip them, I put these onions on the flip side, and then that way I can spread the chicken out more. Plus the chicken's gonna get a little smaller after it cooks. All right, it's been 4 minutes. It's kind of bubbly, so yeah, gonna flip them over. This stuff is good right here. The juices. I mean, it's probably not good, but this spot right there. But I'm gonna flip these back over after this other side cooks, just in case if I miss the spot or whatever. But yeah, this on top, like I was saying, more space. Let's see. It's looking good, looking good. Kind of cut it. Nope, there's still some pink in there. Gotta let it sit. Looks mostly good. Flip it one more time. Another 2 minutes. This side up. 5 minutes. All right, I think the chicken's done. Got to get the other load. I took a lot of the onions out, but I left some because of that juice is gonna cook with it. So let that sit till 3:15 maybe. Yeah, 5 minutes aside. This is still on medium. Flip. Ooh. Oh boy. Get some of the onion on there. Oh boy. Seep in. Dang. Broccoli's done. Open this up. This isn't my trick. Throw this in here. Overdose it. Really, really get in there. Now shake it. There's still gonna be some parts in here that are cold, so probably do this for 5.5 or 6 minutes. But if you don't care if there's a little piece of cold broccoli, then you're fine. After that shaking, you're good, and kind of just wait for the chicken to finish up. After this starts, probably in like a minute or two, I'm gonna put this whole thing right on top with a lid, and it's just gonna seep all the spinach into a small like type thing. And then that'll just be distributed throughout all the portions. So the chicken's definitely cooked all the way through. Gonna kind of go to 4 here. I had to open up the spinach. Now I'm gonna put all the spinach just right on top. After all the spinach is on top, 2 minutes, it's gonna be shrunk just into small pieces. Maybe 3. Got to go in there in a minute and like move everything around. So let's see. Whoa, that did nothing. All right, let's move everything around. Got a little char in there, but that's fine. Flip the chicken. Now all this, next time I open this, all this spinach is going to be microscopic. That's super good for you, but it's going to be like, I don't know, 1/10 of the size it was before, so it's easier to put down. And plus it's got all the onions and juices, so it tastes a little bit better. And it's done. All the juices are super good, so after all this is out, I'm just going to pour the juices right on top. And then this is gonna, all of this is gonna go into a few Tupperwares. So. And that's how you do it. And you could do rice, the steaks, no requirement. You just turn on a button. But yeah, thanks for watching.